So I was challenged to create a flush piston door activated by a torch key with absolutely no redstone on top. Alright, so this is my design for that specific challenge. It uses the same thing a 3x3 piston door, the old ones, used in order to move 2 blocks up without having any pistons. So as we can see, we place a torch key here, it closes, and then it also opens. And then we place it here, closes, and then it also opens. And it fits in a 6x7 area, and we will get started on building that one. The first thing we'll want is our double piston extender. We'll need to place that right here, 2 blocks above the ground. Make sure you have 2 blocks on this side and 3 blocks on that side. The next thing we'll want to do is grab some redstone lining, some pathways for the redstone, and then just make a shape like this and place a falling edge monostable circuit right here. The next thing you'll want to do is grab a rail. This rail will divert the redstone signal so that it does not interact with the hopper here. After that, you'll want to place a block up here, and then you'll want to place a redstone torch here, a block on top of that redstone torch, which would be the same as your floor, and then another redstone torch. You'll place a sticky piston here and here. The next thing you will want to do, the very most important part of this, is the main, that this redstone controls everything. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make this sort of shape, and we're going to put a repeater set to 4 ticks, sticky piston running into a block with a sticky piston on top, with a block on its face, and then we'll place another block down here. On that block down here, we'll place a repeater set to 2 ticks, a piece of wool, like running like this, like this, like this, and like that. Then you'll want to grab redstone and place it like so, and repeaters set to 4 ticks right in this bottom area. You want to place a block here to stop this from interacting with this. This will be hidden by the door wall or wherever your door is. The next thing, so this is our actual door, and it's pretty simple, like, not simple, I wouldn't say simple. Also, place a block on this sticky piston's face, the bottom one, I forgot about that. But this is the door, and if you take a lever, it opens, and then you have that. So the next part, shouldn't it close? It should. Oh, don't forget to put something in the dropper. That'll help a lot. I feel so dumb. Okay, next part is the torch key. With this design, there's only a few places for the torch to be placed, and I had to set up this little extra thing in order to place the torch, since along the side here would interact with all the redstone and cause lots of problems. So the next thing you'll want to do for this is you'll want to place a couple of blocks in here, and then you'll want to place in here. This will be the area in which the T flip-flop reacts, and so when the block is spit out, it opens, and when it's retracted, it closes. You'll want to put the actual sticky piston here, and then you will want to grab couple of observers, and you'll want to place, actually, you'll place one sticky piston here, place in an observer right there, break this block, that's not needed to be there, and then you'll place this here, up here, and here, and then you come inside, you'll place a repeater set to, I believe, is it 2 ticks? Set to 1 tick, and the other will be set to 3 ticks. Okay, set to 1 tick, and then this one will be set to 3 ticks. So this will cause it to spit out from this circuit. And then this circuit's the same on both sides. Well, actually, no, it's not. Okay, so we'll get to this one. You'll take an observer, a piston with an observer facing that way. And then right here, you'll place an observer facing that way, observer facing down, and then a sticky piston right above that. That will break the block that the torch is on. And see if we can. Alright. Yeah. And so when the torch is placed, it'll launch it back up, and the T flip-flop works, as you can see. The other one will be on this side, and you'll take this, grab a repeater set to 1 tick, and then you'll want to place down a piston right here, place an observer facing this way, place an observer facing this way and this way. Well, this would have been the same, but not the observer this time. This time we'll place a redstone torch here, and then we'll place a red wool here. Because the thing with the observer is it already double activates, and the point of this one is so that this one won't. Yeah, it's a thing. And then you'll place the final piston right here, and then you'll build up. Basically, you'll build up the ground right here. You'll have a little table right there. And you can always move this as far out as you want, just make sure that you have this sort of thing and repeaters just heading all the way over here. And so yeah, that is it. I didn't put as much design thought, but if you place that, it breaks it and it closes. Place it here, breaks it and it opens. Place it back again, closes, wrong side. Place it here, and it opens. So that is the entire hidden door right there. If you enjoyed this video and would like me to try to figure out how to make more redstone contraptions, please comment down below with some challenges, because I like taking these on. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!